When you comment on this picture, this is the uterus and this is a transverse section by 3D ultrasound. And so you should imagine how this picture is taken, in which of course we are using the 3D orthogonal planes of the 3D ultrasound. And so we can get here, this is one embryo and this is the second one. And unfortunately some of our colleagues commented on this picture to say that this is a case of TTTS, twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome. Of course, this is completely wrong, because if you see this picture and you can get the two fetuses or the two embryos in one plane or in one picture, that means that this is just in the first trimester. And so you'll never, and it's impossible to get the two fetuses in the second or third trimester in the same view. And of course, twin-to-twin transfusion syndrome occurs later in pregnancy. And so this is an early pregnancy in which you see two embryos. One of them is larger than the other, and of course you should know the last menstrual period, and accordingly you can know the gestational age. But of course that means that this very small embryo can be a vanishing twin, and so you should have a live ultrasound, of course, for this case to be sure that this is a missed case or a missed embryo in which there is fetal life negative, and this is a normal embryo and the fetal life is positive. So the comment on this picture, that's of course for my dear colleagues who are following my obstetrics and gynecology ultrasound for all page on Facebook. That's how to comment or how to understand or to think of this picture.